What's up, window cleaners? I'm going to be going over the tools that I'm going to be using on this bi-weekly account. As you can see, the Sörbo quadrupod high bucket stand. This eliminates so many stoop overs a day at work. And I'm going to be demonstrating the Sörbo S Arm in this video. As you can see, a red bumper here. This is a single red bumper. It doesn't have one on this side. What this does, it eliminates detailing. The red bumper goes across the frame, leaving a 1/4 inch from the frame, and there's no water hitting the frame. This is a very good maintenance tool, and it works very well on deep frame windows. And I'm going to be introducing the Sörbo double S Arm. As you can see, there's a red bumper on each side of the washer. Sörbo was watching videos on YouTube, and he noticed the comments that they wanted to see a red bumper on each side of the washer. So here it is. Sörbo went hard at work at it. He watches over us window cleaners, so that's pretty cool. The 30-inch Black Mamba, the 24-inch Black Mamba, and as you notice, there's a white squeegee rubber. Sörbo was the very first person to use colored squeegee rubber. And the California Dream Pole by Sörbo. Okay, so I'm going to be going to work.